I think somebody misspelled something in this quiz.
Where are you looking at?
Oh, it's chapter 18. It's the 18th, right? Or lesson 18?
Lesson 18, yeah.
So I'm reading this question and it says, is unless tasting is, oh, PTC tasting, it's not testing. Never mind, I get it now. I couldn't remember what PTC tasting was. I get it. I've done this before.
It is a test. It's also a taste.
Yeah. I was like, I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be testing. And then I remembered that in high school they made us all taste PTC paper.
I think we did that in elementary. But I'm older. Way older.
It's okay, Chrissy. And like,
It's all right.
I was gonna say, or I feel like, well, I think I've always been like, we'll call it mature, but in reality, I'm like an old lady. And like my friends at school, we have this. I love them. They're like older. They're like the older ladies in our classes, and I don't think they're old because I'm having a grand old time with them. And then they're like, I'm like, wait a second, you're the age of my mother. This is probably why we get along, because that's the age I am in mind or something. But it's kind of funny.
Everybody gets there eventually.
I just, I've been there since, I think I've gotten younger as I get older.
That's okay. That sounds like a good way to go.
I had to learn how to be young. I was just an old lady when I was little. My mom would like drop me off at babysitters, and I'd take care of their kids instead of them taking care of me.
That's how my youngest is. She's 9.
I'm sorry. Good luck with her. We're weird. We're a little odd. Okay, so are we on question 3 then?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're just putting in the 2 sample C-test Excel thing, right?
Yeah. I just actually divided it. I didn't put it in, but you can. Either way, I'm sure we're going to have to do it, so.
So you just found the percentage of P1?
Yeah, so I just divided 52 by 70. But, I mean, you can put them in your Excel.
So what'd you get?
0.743 if you round.
Yeah, that's what I got too, 0.743 for the first one.
Yeah. And the second one I got 0.712.
Oops.
.712, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Ready too.
All right, number 5. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for adjusting the research question? And I think it's the second one. So that's a tasting study with different data.
So it doesn't say anything about less than or anything. It just says different.
Yeah, it says is the portion of females who can taste PTC different from the portion of males. So
Okay.
equal and different. Okay.
So I have a question. So can you explain to me the difference between, if this is, well, yeah, why would it be P hat instead of P? If we start at, our problem starts out with P, and then find like how does that change?
Well, from what I understand, and maybe I don't understand it, but P is unknown. From what I've got about P is unknown. So yeah. P hat is just an estimate of P. Is that Do you think that's right, Christy, or am I way off?
Yeah. No, I think you're correct. Let me see if I wrote.
So the reason we work with p hat is because we don't know what p is, but we're estimating p by using p hat, I guess.
Okay. And so then should we? So then, if for hypothesis, wouldn't it still be like p instead of p hat then? Because it's the actual question, it's not a result.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yep, probably. It's probably
What
the
are they
last
doing
one.
on the? I'm gonna open up the lesson and see what they were doing for the.
Yeah.
Um,
Good call.
I was just really confused. It's not me trying to be smart.
Yeah, right.
I'm not trying to be smart either because I'm not. Because I thought I knew what I was talking about, and then all of a sudden, oh yeah, okay, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so I think you're right because
What is
you look
going
on,
on there? Sorry. Go ahead.
you look on step 4 on page 9 of our book. I don't know, I just picked one. It was on the aneurysm study, and then it says for the hypothesis test, they didn't have p hat. It wasn't looked at p hat. It was p1 equals p2, and then p1 is equals p2.
Right, I see that too. So then we want to go with the other one then?
Yeah, I
So
think
that would be the last one,
yeah.
the last option.
Good call.
Yay! I apologize for my wrong answer.
Christy, calm down. It's okay. If I hadn't had a question, we wouldn't have figured it out.
Like, good, we'll just go with that.
That's kind of how we've been. It's like the blind leading the blind into a ditch. Only we do it to each other.
Okay, the next one.
Create a 95% confidence interval. Then we just use that extreme ridiculous formula.
Are you plugging it into your Excel?
I still can't find my Excel sheet. Can you believe that?
Oh my gosh, you need to find that for your test.
Does anybody want to like email it to me?
Sure, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that.
You
Well,
might know where it comes.
I think I opened it up from the lesson.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Open it from the lesson, but the lesson didn't have it. I don't know if I'm looking at a different. Maybe I didn't. Let's see. Categorical data analysis. There we go. No, that's SPSS, so. Oh. Oh.
Okay, now go to the bottom and click on to portion. The very bottom of the sheet.
Yes. So is it the categorical data analysis or the quantitative interference procedures? There's 3 of them. Never mind, it's just one and it has 3 different things on it. I get it.
I was like, okay, so I was like, there's 3?
Mine says 1 proportion, 2 proportions, or version, whatever that means.
Mine just says the categorical data analysis thingy. Okay, so you should be able to put all the numbers in now and get it. It should pop up. So do you know what to do?
Yeah, it's coming. It's loading. What? You couldn't find it? All right. So now my Excel isn't working. I don't understand this. Okay. So, but I have. Let's see. There we go.
Okay.
It did come up.
Okay.
So is it? It's a.
So I'll just tell you what to put in there.
Okay.
Okay, so you have the two samples. Did you click on the bottom where it says two samples sheet? Very bottom of your Excel sheet, it should say 2 portions or something.
2-portion Z-test.
Uh,
Where it says confidence interval, P1 and P2. I think
well,
I'm
when
looking
you
at the wrong.
It's the tabs at the bottom
Yeah.
of the screen.
Okay. Okay, I see the
Yeah.
tabs.
So
Okay,
you
so
want
click on the one that says
two
two.
proportion.
Okay, got it. I'm at the 2-proportion one.
Okay, now for the X1, you're going to put in 52.
Hold on. 52.
And then,
Hold,
did you push it enable editing?
hold on just a sec. Come on. It won't let me access it.
Did you push enable editing?
I am, and it says, sorry, we can't find the Excel spreadsheets. It is impossible it was moved, renamed, or deleted.
What?
Yeah.
You need to reinstall it then. Because you need this for your test.
Okay.
It's like, yeah. Okay, well,
Well,
I don't
let's.
know. That's,
Okay, let's see. So then I would put all those numbers on the spreadsheet. I guess I could have it out so I can look at it.
yeah, you put it all in and then all the answers will come up for you that they're asking without you having to figure it out by hand.
Okay.
Saves you a lot of time.
Fantastic.
So for number 6, the confidence interval I got was negative 0.123 and 0.185.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 7, we failed to reject because the p-value was 0.693. So it's greater than 0.05.
Yeah. Plus there's a 0 in the confidence interval.
Yeah.
So I think that usually always means to reject or fail to reject.
Yeah.
Yeah. I agree with that
Okay.
statement.
Alright. So number 8. So we know it's insufficient evidence.
Yeah.
So,
Is that the second one?
yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
Evidence suggests that it's different from the females are different from the males.
Yeah.
Because the other ones talk about greater and lesser, and that would be different null hypothesis. Alternative.
No, that was one thing I didn't understand either. It was either on the homework or the assignment. That one problem where you did it both ways. You did it like it was greater than or less than, and then you did it not equal to. And one way you rejected the null, and the other way you did not reject the null. How can it be both ways? I don't understand that.
Did the alpha change, or the significance level change?
Did they change this? Oh, maybe they did.
Well, because if it's two-tailed, right? If it's two-tailed, then the significance will go up, right?
Right.
And if it's just
yeah, that's right. Okay.
yeah. So that's why. Yay!
I'm like, okay, this is the same test. It's the same, information. One time it's true, and the next time it's not. I don't get it. I guess I didn't notice the level of significance.
Yeah, that's probably the only difference. All right. Okay, number 9 through 17.
We're going to review mortality rates.
Yeah.
Such a nice topic.
Yeah. Makes me not want to go to the doctor.
Do we have to open something or no?
No, I think we just have to plug this in, like change all the numbers.
Oh my goodness, 818,000.
Yeah, I'm writing them all down. I guess I can copy and paste.
Okay, so our status. We can find this number 9. We can find it on the Excel. It tells you.
Yeah?
Yeah, it shows you. It shows you the hypothesis test.
Yep.
Oh.
Because it says that it's greater than
3, 4.
10, right? If both are greater than 10, then it's true.
But if I put it in my Excel that's already up, will it be the same thing?
3. 7.
Okay, so the thing true?
Yeah, so they're all well over 10.
Okay. Which right. Less than a proportion of so portion of less than. Okay, so number 10.
Would that be?
Would that be the?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Would it be the first one? No, hold on.
So let's just clarify what's P1 and P2.
Yeah.
I had during a weekday, that's what I put in as P1.
Yeah, that's.
Yes. And P2 is
The weekend.
a
So
week. And our question is that the proportion of patients who have heart attack are admitted to the hospital on a weekday die less than the proportion of persons. So we're saying that P1 is less than P2, right?
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
So it would be the first one.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, it's the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. And we're not doing P hat, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's P hat anymore.
Okay. No P hat.
We don't sound very confident, but that's how we're gonna go for it.
Well, none of the P hat ones are right.
Yeah, we know that.
The choice
Mm-hmm.
that shows the P hat is equal to or not equal to, so we know that's not right. So it has to be a P.
Yeah. Okay. So for P hat 1, I have 0.141.
Yep, that's what I have too.
Wait,
And
let
then
me solve it by hand. Oh, never mind.
Huh?
145.
What did you guys get?
0.141 for P hat 1. Do you
Okay.
want to do Did you want to do the second one by hand?
I was trying to do that.
You're more than welcome to. I'm not going to stop you.
We didn't want to deprive you of some enjoyment.
Oh, you guys are so sweet.
I mean, we'll be done by the time you're finished with your answer.
145, okay?
Yes.
Right?
1.45.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay. And then the z-score, that's also through the Excel sheet, right?
Yeah, but you have to change the type of test.
Oh, what did I have on mine?
On inputs, you have to change the type of test.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, because it says not equal. So we're doing less than?
Yeah, P1 is less than P2.
Okay. So you get negative 2.020.
Can you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
Negative 2.020, yep.
Negative 2.20?
No. Negative 2.020.
Gotcha. Loud and clear.
Okay. Give the z-score. Which did you say? E. Okay. You should shade.
Give the z-score from question 3. Okay, the left or the right? The z-score.
The left, right?
Yeah, the left.
To the left. It's less than to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, P1 is less than, so you're going to do to the left. Yeah.
And then we need your p-value.
I didn't write it down. It keeps going back and forth. That's annoying. Okay.
I got
0.022. Yeah. 0.022.
I got you.
Okay, so what are we going to do on this one, Eloisa?
I don't know. I'm just kidding. We're gonna reject the null.
Good.
Thanks, Misty. I like the motivational support.
You're welcome. I want everyone to be able to participate. Oh, this is the last time.
Yay! I wonder if they make fun of us when they watch these videos to make sure we did them.
They probably have staff parties and watch all the ridiculous videos.
Probably. I hope they're paying them enough to do this.
Yep.
So we would say there is sufficient evidence.
Yep. Which one?
The first one, right?
I would agree.
Oh, it's the only one that's, well, there's two of them, but that's the only one that makes sense. Hey, we're done?
Yeah. Right?
I think so. It looks about
I
right
think
there.
that was 17 problems. We sure went through that fast.
I know.
That's why I
Right.
love this Excel. You gotta fix your Excel.
I know. I gotta fix a lot of things. I think
We know. We
we're
didn't want to say anything.
You know what, Christy?
Hey,
You're
did anybody
about to graduate. You come and talk to me. My computer's been kicking the bucket. It's been 4 years. The poor thing is about to.
Wow, hang in there, computer.
Yeah.
Okay, submission is successful.
And we got them all right.
Yep.
Yay. Wait, you better double check yours, Eloisa. You always
I was
put
just
something
thinking
wrong.
about that.
Let's do a review
Okay, let's do the
really quick.
So P1
Okay.
number 3 is 0.743.
Yes.
P4, or I mean, number 4 is P2 is 0.712.
Yes.
5 is the last answer.
Yes.
The interval is negative 0.123 and
Yes.
0.185. And then we reject the null hypothesis on 7. On 8,
Wait.
what?
7? Didn't we fail to reject?
I don't know. Hold on, let me look at our.
I haven't turned mine in yet.
Where is our P? What's our alpha?
7 was fail to reject. Wait.
Oh, it's 0.05, and our p-value, what was our p-value?
I don't. Hey, Renee, what did you get for 7? Fail to reject?
I had failed to reject the null.
Okay, so C,
The third answer. Third answer down.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
And this is
So you
why
would
we
have gotten
do
that
this.
wrong. Okay. Number 8.
Is B, there is insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion females. Blah, blah,
Yes.
blah, blah, blah.
The second one. Yeah, the second one.
And then 9 is true.
Yes.
10 is the first one.
Yes.
11 is 0.141.
Yes.
12 is 0.145.
Yes.
The z-score is negative 2.020.
Yes.
And then the 14's to the left.
Yes.
And then our p-value is 0.022.
Yes.
And we reject the null hypothesis.
Yes.
And then the first one on 17.
Yes. Good. I hope you got 100.
I did get 100. Thank you for watching my bag. Because otherwise we both would have missed that one.
You always do. There's always one.
There always is one. Ugh. Anyways, we'll make it. We'll make it. So who has this next part of the